OKFM 101.7.
On the passage of E-levy, yes, also on Crawford, where did they fault?
Oh, the last decision, the culmination, in my view, the SC here 2 days ago, anti-climax.
Climax.
Anti-climax.
Why?
Because, they are taking us on a very interesting journey. Also, E-levy, on the 27th November, by introducing some tax measure in Parliament when the budget was being read. The government never anticipated that. I didn't never check in Parliament for more than 1 month. And so they took it for granted that it will pass. Okay.
Aye.
In fact, because they took it for granted that it will pass, that's why that led the road minister to go and remove road 2. Yep, okay.
Aye. Now, Sir Roto, yeah, or remove it.
So why did he have to say in Parliament for 4 months? I am minority no more at the modern power. They made the E-levy a national debate, a national issue. They got the president and the minister of finance to get ministers to go around the country and explain the import of the E-levy. They got researchers interested in the E-levy. No more research. The research indicates that more than 95% of the people of Ghana don't like E-levy. Today, if you go to the village, if you go anywhere and ask about E-levy, everybody knows about E-levy. Minority no, yes, sir. So they've done exceedingly well. They worked fantastically well, but they didn't end well.
Now, almost sorry call you no na any so so ko na nka eso mo ye den pa.
Yeah. When you say about the policy in the Parliament. About when they bring a policy, what the minority does is to interrogate the policy, critique the policy, and suggest alternatives. Minority almost say, look at the Auditor General's report. The Auditor General's report says that we can get an equal amount of money if we are just disciplined. He would set out those who wasted the money. Look at your office of the president. Nobody also cut them who will save money. They provided alternatives.
President ya 30% pay cut. Why coupons. You bet 50%. Why just land cruisers no near the be banning na.
No, that's not raising money. That is capital expenditure.
Okay.
That's not revenue generating activity. A capital expenditure. Because we don't have the money. The one needs to come out, you are borrowing to spend now. You need, as a responsible leader, you need to reduce your expenditure. So, 30% is to reduce expenditure.
Oh, okay.
So, what I'm saying about minority, in my view, but they ought to have just sat in Parliament and voted against the E-levy.
Oh, okay. Now I say come now so would you call it an abdication of responsibility on the part of the minority?
No, I'm not saying they abdicated their responsibility. I'm saying that they, in my view, haven't done all this work, haven't got Ghanaians to appreciate the dangers of E-levy, haven't gotten the government itself to appreciate and reduce E-levy, and still not satisfied, sit down and vote against the E-levy.
Oh, okay.
It goes on record, say, we fought it to the last. But if you work out, so today everybody's assuming, say, you didn't have the numbers. But it could not be so. The FCC, the majority side could also be facing difficulties. The only way we would have known the real numbers in Parliament was by vote. Yes, sir. Yeah, but now we don't know.
But now they are in court.
Therefore the court matter is difficult.
Why?
Because you see, there's a presumption in law that officials performing official responsibility or official duty are presumed perform them regularly. Your friend-in-law, the presumption of regularity, and it's not part of the evidence degree. It's a rebuttable presumption, but that's the evidence degree. I think it's section 37. So, some of the parliament, you know, yes, Mr. Parliament, there will be a quorum. Even at sometimes will be about 50, even sometimes less than 50, but we'll still be working. You understand?
And did you say Obi raise an issue of quorum?
Quorum. And when that issue is raised, you are invoking the jurisdiction of the Speaker to draw attention to Article 102 of the Constitution or 104 Constitution or the relevant standing orders.
It is Obi and raise a Speaker now on his own volition.
It's not self-invoking.
Oh, okay.
It's not self-invoking.
Now, me back to me, bo. Say, actually, ya vote on a matter. I agiatum. Next year, confirm say now we didn't form quorum. And no, can there not be a reversal?
There's nothing like we didn't form quorum. Because someone must raise the quorum.
It is the Mekinka, you know.
There's a presumption. There's a presumption, say, anytime Parliament is working, because Parliament are officials performing duty. So anytime they are working, there's a presumption that they have complied with Article 102 and 104.
Oh, I see. Anyway, no. Book be a mechanic match exercise match ado about nothing.
Oh, yes, sir. Wait, yes, sir. This is more complicated than much ado about nothing.
Exercise in futility because the what can say?
No. It's more complicated than that. It's more complicated than that. You see, what the minority is saying is that they are now using the numbers logic, the logic of arithmetic, to challenge the decision.
But almost quote to nonsense Supreme Court ruling now a buy and say on a matter of quorum.
Using the Supreme Court ruling and the numbers logic. The numbers logic is simply this. There were 275 members of parliament. NDC was 137. Now NDC follow ND parliament. So it leaves parliament with 138. Yes, sir. If the 138 members of parliament were present, we won't raise an issue. But they were not present because we know that Ajua Safo was not there. We also know that the chief service minister was not there. So that brings them down to 136. And by Article 104, they must be 138. That's the logic of their argument. So that's why you can't say it's much ado about nothing.
Okay.
So you have to go to court to see whether the court will be persuaded by that argument.
And will be because on the issue of quorum, no court made me depart from its earlier decision.
There was no decision on quorum.
Okay.
There was no decision on quorum in the Supreme Court. There was a pronouncement. It was a tangential pronouncement, or if you want, consequential pronouncement.
Okay.
The decision of Abdullahi and Justice Abdullahi and Attorney General they stood on whether or not the first deputy speaker or second deputy speaker or any member of parliament presiding can count himself in for the determination of quorum, and whether that person can also vote. That is whether the member of parliament or a first deputy speaker or a second deputy speaker can vote. That was the decision. But in analyzing Article 104, the court spoke about quorum, the voting quorum. And the voting quorum, they went on to elaborate on how it is formed. Okay, but that was not why Abdullah went to court.
Oh, okay. Okay.
The ratio decidendi of that case is that nothing prevents a first deputy speaker, a second deputy speaker, or a person provided from counting himself in for the purposes of determining quorum and for casting
the Supreme Court to make his pronouncement. We no was it. If one no and make sure some practicalize the decision of the apex court. When someone decided say can the Supreme Court cite them for contempt?
And that's a different argument altogether. And that's why I never supported the Supreme Court.
Okay.
Even though I respect their decision. And that's why, and I've read the decision not only once, I've read it more than 2 times. But I'm saying that, so that's why I'm able to speak about the decision. But I'm saying, it created a problem because the Supreme Court, struck down the standard order. I think
109.
1093, or is it?
Yeah.
They start almost striking it down. But when you take the interpretation decree, the interpretation act, standing order is not part of an enactment. An enactment has been defined in the interpretation act, and standing order is not part of an enactment. It's not an enactment.
Okay. Oh, I see.
So when the interpretation act, just take it. You can find it and read what an enactment is.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So whether the Supreme Court was proper in striking down 109 is a different matter altogether. So that's what I'm saying. That after that one, we need to wait until there's a review and we'll see.
Okay. I like medicine obey.
And that.
And just you have started Azumino.
I cannot say.
Aye. Me be a bebana. Would you have bumped any be a mommy?
Okay.
Bye. Honorable Inusah Fuseini, a former MP for Tamale Central, former Minister for Roads and Highways, and you're not train coming on. Okay, 101.7.
OKFM 101.7.